Hello students, today I am going to teach about the Ausubel's meaningful learning theory, which is also known as cognitive theory. Who is David Paul Ausubel? He was born on 1918 and grew up in Brooklyn, New York. He earned a PhD degree in developmental psychology from Columbia University. According to Ausubel believes that learnings of the new knowledge relies on what is already known. He also avoided the rote memorizing of facts. He developed a meaningful ways of integrating ways of teaching material by comparing and contrasting and associating, rearranging by the accommodating contrasting ideas. So here what he proposed, the meaningful learning and the difference between this meaningful learning and rote learning. Meaningful learning is a well organized relevant knowledge structures. That is a conceptual clear subject matter. Whether other hand, the rote learning is a little or no relevant knowledge. It is a very poorly organized subject matter. According to Ausubel's model of meaningful learning, the process of learning should be divided into three phases. In phase 1, there is needed of the advanced organizer. The advanced organizer should be present introductory level for the lessons that students can relate it to the prior knowledge. In the second phase of knowledge, there is a presentation of learning task or material. In this case, the presentable material in terms of basic similarities and differences by using different types of examples that the student can engage, and they can also understood the meaningful learning activities and what is the comparison between the old and the new knowledge. The third phase is the strengthening of the cognitive organization through the relation between the new information and the previous one, and that promote the active reception of learning. So in the advanced organizer, it is the introductory information that is relevant to the content and it is presented by the teacher to the pupils. In case of advanced organizer, it may be two types. Maybe a comparative organizer where there is a comparison between the new and the old knowledge, and second one may be a expository organizer where the provide basic concepts at high level of abstraction. He also produced a deductive teaching model. Here the teacher can go advanced organizer to a specific level of teaching. So the educational implications of this theory is that teaching can take place a meaningful successfully through a expository process. It is also a gap bridge between the old learning and the new learning, and it is also development the problem solving skills through the explanation, demonstration, diagram and illustrations among the students. Find the prior concept of the learner. Presentation of ideas should be from general to specific, whereas the instructional material should attempt to integrate a new materials. Use a progressive differentiation and similarities. Here, the summary of our whole lessons is: first, the introduction about the David Paul Ausubel. Then what is the meaningful learning is, what is the differences between the meaningful learning and rote learning. Then what is the advanced organizer, it's a two type, comparative and expository. Then the deductive teaching model proposed by the Ausubel, and then educational implications of this particular theory. So now you can ask a different type of examples to the students to develop their meaningful theory. Thank you.